You can enjoy traditional sangria with alcohol for 67 calories, or you can make sangria with a non-alcohol red wine for only 24 calories. Pour your alcoholized red wine into a large pitcher, or pour your non-alcoholized red wine into a large pitcher. Slice oranges, lemons, and limes. Toss your fruit slices into your pitcher. Twist a lemon to collect the juice. Pour your lemon juice into your pitcher and chill overnight. Once your red wine and fruit slices have chilled overnight, they will blend together to create a beautiful sangria flavor. Add chilled Perrier. Scoop ice into a glass. Select a few slices of fruit for your serving glass. Slowly pour your sangria over top. And here is your serving of under 300 calories, alcoholized or non-alcoholized sangria. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.